Hi everyone. Today I wanted to talk about getting people to send people to your Etsy shop as an affiliate. So meaning that they would send you traffic and then you would pay them something. Etsy is not really set up to do that, so that for us to pay people. And the reason this came up is a couple people asked about, should I set up an affiliate program for my Etsy shop? And one person said that someone posted and said, hey, I posted one of your items and now I would like to talk to you about sending me a cut of those profits. No. All right. That would be a no, because that's an unsolicited kickback. That's bizarre. But in general, if people are at a point where they're an influencer, and I hate that word, but if they are at a point where they could theoretically send you traffic and it looks like their audience would be your customers, it might not be a bad idea to work with them. And I've had people send me traffic just without me doing anything. They just use my product and they posted it on their blog. They happen to be a blogger that has a big audience, and I've gotten a lot of sales from that. So it's never 100% a bad idea, but it's very difficult to administer this yourself. The one way that you could set this up on Etsy is to give that person a specific coupon code to give to their audience. So let's say that it's someone on Instagram that has 1 million followers. If you gave them a coupon code for their followers to use on your Etsy shop, and then you saw the sales that came in with that coupon code, you could then pay them maybe like $1 for every sale or something like that, whatever arrangement that you have. It's usually a percentage. Most bloggers expect a percentage, so be aware of that. But the problem is that that person would have to really trust you, because it's really easy to fake those kinds of results. So most people are not going to want to set that kind of thing up. They're going to want to have the payment automatically sent to them. They don't want to have to go through your record keeping and trust that you're going to send them the payment. And the other part of that is that these coupon scraping apps can find those coupons if it's in your Etsy shop, and they can send it to anyone, which isn't a big deal unless you don't want other people to use that coupon. So, but if you're sending it out to people to use, then that's fine. However, let me talk about the affiliate program. Etsy has an affiliate program. So if someone does contact you and says, I just posted your stuff, now send me money, just tell them, I don't have an affiliate program, but Etsy does, and here are the links. And I'll put the links to the 2 affiliate programs that Etsy has in the description of this video. One is Awin. It's administered on the awin.com website. And I have articles about this on the Artisan Shopping Directory blog. You can read those. Awin is basically, that program is for people who have blogs, and that's how they promote products. There's also a Creator Co. affiliate program, which is for people who don't have blogs, but they promote on social media. So that would be the Instagram influencer who doesn't have a website or a blog, but they promote things on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook or wherever it is. And they can send people to your Etsy shop and get a percentage of that payment. Now, usually, until recently, and I had done a different version of this video and then Etsy changed something, so I had to redo this. Usually when someone gets a payment through the Etsy affiliate program, it doesn't cost you anything. However, recently they made a change to what Etsy's definition of publishing partners is. And there's a whole thing in go read about the affiliate program. There's a whole thing in the Etsy terms of use with the affiliate program and offsite ads. Okay, in the offsite ads documentation, it says that publishing partners who are bloggers that Etsy has selected to allow them to send specific traffic to Etsy's website with affiliate links, those are treated as offsite ads, those links. And what they did recently, like within the last month or so, I think, they basically changed every Awin affiliate link to a publishing partner link. So this actually might have been happened a couple months ago. But what they have done for Awin affiliates is to give us a dashboard that we can go to and put the link, or we can just type in, let's say I'm doing something about candles. I type in candles and I type in the link. I think you have to put the product link in, and that will tell that person that the link that they are linking to is from a shop that is opted into offsite ads, or if it's not. If it is opted into offsite ads, then whoever posts that affiliate link is going to get a higher percentage than they would if they just posted a normal link that is not a shop that has offsite ads turned on. So this is a little complicated, but basically I contacted the Etsy affiliate people who are very forthcoming. They're very nice, and they actually return emails. And they said, yes, when you use those links, the person who had the traffic sent to them will pay an offsite ads fee because now all the A1 links are considered publishing partners. So if I send someone to your shop with an affiliate link on my blog and you are opted into Offsite ads, you will pay the Offsite ads fee. If that product is purchased, they also have to buy the thing from you. So that's one thing that you really need to be careful about. Because let's say someone does contact you and they're an influencer and you're looking at their audience, they have a lot of followers, it's people who actually would buy from you, and you're like, this is a good arrangement. Let's say that you say, yeah, I would love to promote with you and I'll send you some free products and you can show them on your social media. So you do that and you're like, this is great. They post it, you start getting sales, but they're an A1 affiliate and you're opted into Offsite ads. So now with every sale that you get, and especially if you gave them a discount code, because sometimes they do want that and it incentivizes people to come to buy from you if they have a little bit of a discount. Let's say you gave them a 20% off discount code, or 10, let's say even 10%. 10% off from that discount code. But then on the other end of it, if they're using an A1 affiliate link, it's going to be another 12% if you are opted into Offsite ads. And that comes off the other side of it. So it would show the Offsite ads fee in your financials, but it doesn't show as a discount on the sale. So that's what you need to watch out for. There's really no good way to tell if someone is an A1 affiliate unless you just straight out ask them, because that's their business, right? So you can ask them, are you an A1 affiliate or a creator co-affiliate? At this point, this is only for A1, but it could change because Etsy changes the terms of their affiliate programs. It's not unusual. And a lot of times during the year, they'll increase the percentages that they give us and they test things out. And they did do a thing where they increased all the percentages for creator co. So they were testing something out with them. I don't know if that was the final decision to only do it with the A1 affiliates, but at this point, creator co doesn't have access to that little yes, you're opted into Offsite ads thing. So I'm assuming that it's not going to happen with them, but they very well could, because Etsy is moving a lot of their advertising into things that are not Google ads and Facebook ads, because the price of those have gone up a lot. Just understand that in general, you have to watch out for your profits, because you never know what kinds of discounts are going to be stacked on top of each other, or what kind of fees are going to be stacked on top once those discounts are put into place. So if you have any questions, and I know this is complicated, go read the article that I'm going to post in the description of this video, and it explains the Etsy affiliate program. But it's just something that you should try to take advantage of people who are willing to work with you and have a good audience, and you might make a lot of sales. However, plan for that and just understand that you have to cover your costs, and part of covering your costs is adding a cushion into your pricing so that you can absorb that kind of discount and sales and not really lose money. You don't want to lose money, right? Okay, so give this video a thumbs up and I will talk to you later.